Hi everyone, welcome to day 21. I'm going to have everyone start off at the top of their mat. You're going to come to the top of the mat, standing tall, turn the palms forward, take an inhale breath and an exhale. On the next inhale through the nose, and on the exhale through the mouth, ha, H-A, like you're fogging a mirror. And then again, inhale through the nose. Begin exhaling through the mouth, closing the mouth halfway, creating the same sound through the nose. And then just a couple more breaths in and out through the nose, still creating that ujjayi sound on the exhale. And then releasing the hands onto the hips. On the inhale, we're going to take that right knee up into the chest. On the exhale, we're going to send the leg all the way back to crescent. Inhale the arms up alongside the ears. Exhale, lower the knee. Inhale, lift. Warrior 3. Exhale, lift. Good. Gently place that foot back down. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, lower the back knee. Inhale, lift. Exhale, Warrior 3. Tap it down, high lunge, lower the back knee. Exhale, nice and slow and controlled movements, moving with the breath. We'll make it a little bit harder. This time when we come back, lowering that back knee, we're going to stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pick it up, set up for Warrior 3, and again stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, knee to chest, and release. Take a breath. When you're ready, left side. Inhale, lift that left leg. Send that leg all the way back. Exhale. Inhale the arms up. Lower the back knee. Exhale. Inhale, lift. Warrior 3, lift. Good. Gently tap the toes back down. Bring the arms up. Lower the back knee to hover. Pick it up, and Warrior 3. One more time before we hold. Again, if you match the movement to your breath, moving nice and slow, you will work a little bit harder. Building up some heat. This time we're going to stay. Lower that back knee to hover. 5, 4, 3, 2. Pick the back knee up. Prepare for Warrior 3 and lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, knee to chest at the top of the mat, and release. Inhale the arms up, forward fold, exhale. Half lift, inhale. Exhale, come back to plank pose, right side plank. Take the left arm to the sky, look up toward that thumb if it's available. Lift the top leg, breathe, don't hold the breath. 3 more. Last one. Release the top leg. Release the left hand. Other side. Whatever you did on the first side, if you lifted the top leg, lift it. If not, keep it down. Hips are high. 2. Stay for that last exhale. Release. Inhale the knees, chin and chest all the way down. Half lift, inhale. Down dog, exhale. Good. Take a breath here. And then you're going to take that right leg nice and high. Inhale, exhale, knee to left elbow. Send it all the way back, 3-legged dog. Exhale, forward. Nice and strong through that leg. 2 more. Good. 1 more. When we come forward, we're going to stay. Options to stay here or extend the leg. Fall in triangle. See if you can lift that right leg off of the floor. 2, 1. Back to 3-legged dog. Inhale forward to 3-legged plank. Lower down. Cobra or up dog. Down dog. Exhale. Stay for a breath. And then take that left foot up nice and high. Inhale. Exhale, knee to elbow. Across the body. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, forward. Good. 3 more. Stay with your breath. I know we're moving slow, makes it a little bit harder. Good, last one. Whatever you did on the first side, make yourself even. Breathe. Lift the foot if you can, look up toward that top hand. 2, last one, inhale. 3-legged dog, exhale. 3-legged plank, inhale, lower down. Cobra or up dog. Down dog. Again, stay for a breath. If you'd like to pause here, doing your inversion practice, you can. If not, just stay for a couple more breaths in down dog. And then come forward to seated and onto the back. Draw the knees into the chest. And again, come to the twist. If you'd like a deeper twist, you can extend the top leg either using a strap or a bind with your hand. Coming back to the breath, nice and gentle. Letting everything become nice and heavy. Last breath. And then we're going to switch sides. So if you extended the top leg on the first side, do so on this side as well. Try and bring the knee nice and straight if you straighten it. Looking away from the legs. Again, coming to a nice, gentle breath, letting everything become heavy. Last breath. And then come back to center. Give the knees one last hug. And then send the legs long for Shavasana. Palms up. Toes rolling up to the sides. Releasing the Ujjayi breath. And then just begin lengthening and deepening the breath. Bringing movement to the hands and the feet. One at a time, drawing the knees into the chest. Gently rocking side to side, coming over onto the right. And then pushing yourself up into a comfortable seated position. We're going to take Padma Mudra. You're going to take the hands together and spread the fingers nice and wide. Then you're going to open the index, middle, and ring finger, keeping the pinky and thumb together, placing the hand in front of the heart center. Sitting up tall, we're going to repeat silently to ourselves, I am joy. Inhale and exhale, and begin. Last one. And release hands to heart center. Inhale and exhale. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. Namaste.